Did you know that combining mothballs and vinegar can help address a common household concern? I've saved a fortune since learning this trick. Begin by crushing 5 mothballs, as we won't be using them in their whole form. I'm sure you know someone who is facing this problem. Many women frequently worry about encountering this issue at home. However, this tip will effectively resolve the issue once and for all. Once you've crushed the mothballs, place them in a small container. I'm using a cleaner bottle, but any small bottle will work just fine. Next, pour in 150 milliliters of your chosen disinfectant. Next, add 150 milliliters of white vinegar, making sure to use white vinegar specifically. Finally, add a handful of cloves to the mixture. Stir the mixture thoroughly to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. I appreciate your curiosity. However, I don't have a physical presence or location. I'm here to help you with your questions and tasks. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and I'll send you a big virtual hug at the end. Once everything is mixed together, your solution is ready for use. This mixture serves as an excellent repellent for cockroaches, ants, flies, and various other pests. The best part is that you can use it in any room of your home. In addition to repelling insects, it will also leave your space smelling delightful and fresh. I enjoy using this in my bedroom to keep bugs at bay. I also apply it in the bathroom, where odors tend to be more intense. It effectively keeps insects at bay, ensuring the bathroom stays clean and fresh. I also use it on kitchen counters to deter flies and mosquitoes. It's perfect for tiles, helping to remove grease and keep the kitchen free of bugs. So that's all, everyone. Give it a try at home and share your thoughts on this tip. If you'd like to see more tips, just comment "I want," and I'll know to create more videos. Thank you in advance for your support. Big hugs to you, and see you in the next video. Bye.